Hi everybody, it's Irene Thompson. Hope everybody's doing well. Let me show you a quick little project I've been working on. I've always wanted to know how to do folios, interactive folios. This one I used Honeybee with, and this folio I'm using the Bumblebee paper, the Golden Honey DSP paper. This right here is a belly band, so I made a belly band for it. So it's a cute little belly band, goes all the way around it, and then it opens up, and I made this completely from scratch. I made the entire book. I have magnets on it, so it opens up this way, and then here's more magnets that this flips down. So right here is where you can put a whole bunch of photos or whatever your little heart desires. And then these opens up, so you can add more stuff. So it's got a lot of nooks and crannies. And then it goes back this way, and this folds in. And then the other side, this folds down. And then here's another area for you to put photos in, a little cascade. Magnet, and this opens, and then this opens, and then these all open up for more photos, and these open up for more photos, and then of course you can put a photo here. So this is something I've been working on. I've always wanted to learn how to do folios, and I made it from scratch. I used our 12 by 12 we get, let's see what I'm doing here, here, and here. We get these 12 by 12, what is this? This chipboard. We get 12 by 12 chipboard and our 12 by 12 DSP. So I used chipboard and our 12 by 12 paper, and that's how I made this folio. So I will be doing a tutorial on it. Hopefully it won't be too long before I do it. So here's a little sneak peek, and how cute. And I hope you guys are having a great day.